you?
No. A cookie monster.
A Cookie Monster. What are you eating?
Cookies. I eat more cookies.
Okay, go ahead.
Your turn.
My turn.
Yeah, your turn.
Well, you only got one cookie in there. We gotta. All right, ready?
No.
No, I didn't do it right.
No, I'm gonna get all them on the corn.
Oh, okay. Hey, what are you dressed up as?
A parrot.
You're a Cookie Monster pirate?
No, you're.
I'm not a pirate. You're a pirate.
Yeah.
Okay, you do Cookie Monster one more time.
Nanny.
You're goofy.